Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this solar water fountain pump. It is a 20 watt. It has a 320 gallons per hour flow. It's adjustable. It has a solar panel and a 17-foot cord length. Alright, so right here we have received our solar water fountain pump. This one is a 20 watt. It is powered by solar, so it only works while it is sun. So here's a solar water fountain. It has a 17-foot cord, so it is long length, so you can move in any directions. So right here in the box, you do get the solar panel, you do get the pump itself. So this is a pump, and then it has this little filter in here. So the dimensions are 13.8 by 10.7 by 1.7 high. It has 10 liters per hour, which is the max flow rate. So right here on the side, you can adjust the flow rate. It attracts more new friends to visit your home. You can create a sound offering water of nature. It works in cold winters, reduces water ice. It's great for hot summer and cool environments. It does have an adjustable water flow rate with different amounts of water, different usage scenarios. It has a water shortage protection, automatically shuts off when the water level is low so it does not burn out. It has multi-filter protection, easy to assemble for cleaning. So this one does come with two. So you do get a little hose right here. So you can do garden pond, fish pond, water features, fountains, waterfalls, bird baths, pools, and hydroponic. So I only have a swimming pool because I do not have a bird bath, but you have all these other accessories. So you can multiple spray nozzles, give you a solar fountain pump, variety of splashes, so you can choose whichever you want. The water tube is included with the package. So that is what I'm going to use, is the water tube, because I am going to put it in my pool. And my pool is about 52 inches deep, so it doesn't have a stand there to put it up closer. So this is the solar panel, and this is the plug that goes into the pump. So you just push this right in here. Once you push it in, they have this little nozzle here at the top. You screw it in, so it screws in the solar to the pump. So they have all these other connections to change the water fountain look. You got the pouring down, the straight up and down. So now that we got this connected, here is the pump. On the side of it is the flow rate. You can go higher, lower, faster. So there is a little adapter that goes right up in here. So it just goes right in there. So this is a flow rate. You just turn it left or right if you want to go higher or lower. So this only works with direct sunlight. So this is super easy to attach. You just push it in there and it should lock in place. So you can either put this on the ground or you can nail it up to a wood fence, which is what I've done. So this is adjustable. Once you turn this piece, it'll go up and down. So that is adjustable. So I'm just going to tighten this up with this little screw right here. And then I'm going to attach some of the accessories. Here is some of the specifications on the solar panel itself. You've got your max power, you've got your minimum power, and some other details. This is a really nice solar panel. It's a good size. It does have to be in direct sunlight in order to get the full power of the waterfall. If it is not in direct sunlight, it is a little bit lower in the flow rate of the water. So this is a 17-foot cord, so you have enough cord to put it anywhere you want, either on the ground or up on a wood post. So this is a little adapter right here. You want to put it inside the pump. This right here allows you to do the height of the waterfall. So you're just going to put it on this side. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use this extra hose because my pool is really long and deep. If you want to just do a small section like a bird bath, that's when you use the other ones. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use this hose. And then this is the flow rate. You can change that. It does come with a filter in it. So in the instructions, I'm just going to put in the hose into the top spout. So here is the other one. So you can change it to full flow where it sprays up and down, or you can do kind of like a round, which is this piece right here. You just put this on the top. So you have other choices to choose from. So I'm just going to use the basic one, and you just put this here on the top just like that. So you've got the adapter right here that goes in there. But I'm going to put in the hose, but this is just for demonstration. So I'm just going to pop this in here like this, twist it, make sure it's like nice and tight. And then I'm going to add the other part. So if you want it to kind of flow down almost kind of like a bubble, that is what the other round one is for. So, but I'm going to use the hose because it's really deep in my pool. This one here is the one that gives you the round effect. So now if you had something small or a step to your pool or a bird bath, you can actually use this piece just like this. You put the pump on the ground and it will spill water from right here. But I do not have something that's very shallow at the moment. So again, like I said, I'm going to use this hose and I'm going to put this top part right here on the hose so it can spray out of that into my pool. So I'm just going to attach this hose and then I'm going to attach the other side. So you're just going to push it all the way up. And then I'm going to take this outside, put the solar panel on the ground so it can catch some of the sunlight, because this doesn't work if you have no sun. So right now you can see that it is in the sun. It is giving me some nice waterfall right here. You can also change the flow rate on the pump itself, which the pump is setting in my pool. And this is just right now for the regular slow rate. You can see it looks really nice. If you're in a bird bath and it's a lot closer, you do not need this pipe, which I actually have the hose pipe. It's only because it's in the pool, but this looks really nice. It has a really nice waterfall. It looks good in bird baths. Unfortunately, I don't have one right now, but I will be coming back doing another video when I do have a bird bath. If you're looking for a nice waterfall, I'd highly recommend checking this one out.